Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to the Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to get the NAT Type B on your Nintendo Switch when connecting to a mobile hotspot. So currently, my Nintendo Switch is connected to the mobile hotspot of my phone. Just to show that I'm really getting a NAT Type C or NAT Type D, we're gonna test the connection. And there, I have NAT Type D. For this method to work, you will need another computer, a desktop or a laptop, running either Windows or Linux. So head over to your desktop. So head over to your computer and download the VPN gate. Click that. And download the latest build. That one. Save file. Once it's done downloading, just open it up. Install. Okay, extract all. Install. Click next. Soft Ether VPN client, the first selection. Agree to the user license agreement, the EULA. Install it wherever you want. And just install it like that. Just hit yes, and it will install. And everything that you need to be able to access the internet through a virtual private network. Start the software VPN client manager and hit finish. Click VPN gate public VPN relay servers. Just select anything that has a high line speed and low ping. So for example, this one from Japan. I'm gonna hit that, click OK. It will show this screen, show this window. Once you're connected, you will have a new IP address. Now the next thing that you need to do in your computer is hit start and then create a personal hotspot. Just activate this setting so that your computer will broadcast a hotspot. Now, once that's done, you can now go back to your Nintendo Switch and connect to the internet through this computer. Now, in your Nintendo Switch, click System Settings, Internet Settings, select the mobile Wi-Fi or the hotspot that you created with your computer or laptop, then connect to that network. If it fails to connect, just go back to your computer, select a new VPN server, disable your hotspot, connect to that VPN server, to the new VPN server, then create the hotspot, then go back to your Nintendo Switch. Now that we're connected to a new VPN server, we can try again, but first let's refresh the list of networks just to be sure. Connect to that hotspot, connect to that network. Successfully connected. Now let's test the connection. And there you have it, NAT Type B. Now, of course, the drawback of this method is that you will have higher ping and slower download and upload speed. However, if that's not important to the game that you're playing, let's say, for example, what's that name? The name of the game again? The one where you go to an island? Animal Crossing. For example, for Animal Crossing, you don't really need a high internet speed, fast ping, but for games like Brawlhalla, you will need that. Now, you have other options that you can do, but it's not very reliable. That was the first method I was trying to make for this video. However, I couldn't get it to work. It used to work for me, but now it wouldn't for some reason. And that method is to install a VPN client in your mobile device. So search for a free one. You can also try NordVPN or other TunnelBear, but I'm not sure if you connect to them, you'll get NAT Type B. So right now we can install TurboVPN. And once you've installed TurboVPN or any other free VPN out there, you need to install the proxy, Easy Proxy. Oh, sorry, it's Every Proxy. You have to install Every Proxy. Now, once you've installed Every Proxy, you will select the IP address that you're connected to. That's the IP address of the VPN server. Take note of the port, take note of the IP address, and then go to your settings. Select the mobile hotspot of your phone. Still have it on. Connect to that network. Actually, you can change the settings before connecting to the network anyway. You know how very inefficient the user interface of a Nintendo Switch is? Change settings, proxy settings, enable that. Now, the server should match the IP address, so 100.96.189.138, same. Hit OK. Port should also be the same. Authentication should be off. Now save that. your Nintendo Switch will connect to the internet through the proxy that your phone is connected to. However, it's not guaranteed to work 100%. See that? That's one of the problems. Why? Okay, what did we do wrong? It's not activated yet. You have to enable it. Enable it like that. Connect to the network. Before recording the part that I've shown you earlier, I was also trying this method. However, it doesn't show NAT Type B. But before in another area, it was working. So this is something that you could try as well. Okay, so we have it connected to the VPN server yet. Turbo VPN. Start now. No, misclick. Connect. Connect to the VPN server. Then go to every proxy. Reactivate it. You've already set up the settings here, so we can just go ahead and test the connection. You see the IP address changed, but there's the problem. You still would get NAT Type D. Now, this is very reliant on the proxy that you're connecting to if they would allow you to get NAT Type B. So if you can find one, Turbo VPN used to work for me, but not anymore, it seems. What the hell is this? Stupid ads. Go check out other free VPNs and find one that would suit you or that would allow you to get NAT Type B. But this method should work if you have a service or a VPN service that will give you a NAT Type B when you connect to it. Perfectly bypasses the limitations of your mobile service provider. And that's all for this video. Thank you for watching. Hit like if you like this video, dislike if you dislike it. Let me know in the comments what you think. Did this method work for you? And don't forget to subscribe.